Hello, I'm Mike Brewer with my brand Feeling Value to help you embrace life and feel happier more. And we have a big obstacle, don't we? We worry, and we worry too much. I mean, it's unfortunate, but it's in our DNA. It comes back from tribal times where it was fight or flee to survive. And we still have that. So our mind keeps telling us, be careful with this, don't do that, whatever. So it all comes down to our thoughts. And obviously our thoughts, up to 75% of them, can be negative, which will lead us to worry. But in reality, how much do we worry about what other people think? Quite a lot. Why? Because one of our personal values is social, and social means how we interact with other people. We need to interact with other people. It's a basic function. If we don't, then we tend to go in ourselves a little bit and, dare I say, go downhill. So we need that reassurance that we are seen well by other people. And not easy, because we try and do what we think they want to see, yes? Or what they want us to do. But in reality, if you are your natural self, you will actually be seen better. Because a person will recognize that you're being genuine. Does that make sense? You're being authentic. Hopefully now you think I'm authentic. Yes, I'm real. Well, I am real. I'm the real Mike, you know. So yeah, it comes out easily. Didn't used to. I've had my troubles in life. I've had severe psoriasis, which took a bit of dealing with, but yeah, it's okay now. So I would like to recommend something that I've practiced over the years, and it helps. When you're worrying about something, find a quiet spot somewhere on your own. And if you can see nature, it will help. Now, okay, you might be in an apartment in the middle of a city, but all you need is a room with a plant in it, or a flower, or maybe you have a pet. You know, if you have a cat or a dog, it sits on your lap or next to you, you will feel nicer. And then what you actually do is you let your thoughts come, and then you start picking on them, particularly the ones that are worrying you. And you actually go through them and you do a what if analysis. So I'm worrying about this. Okay, if that happens, what happens? What would I do in return? So you prepare yourself. So by doing that, for these thoughts that come through, you start dismissing the ones that are not really important, and the bigger ones, in effect, you'll prepare yourself for them. So, and if you can do this from mid-late afternoon onwards, when your head hits the pillow, just refresh yourself. I'm a little bit concerned. Use the word concerned, not worried about this. So tomorrow, I'm going to do this, and if this happens, I'm going to do that. So you're prepared. So you can give your mind some rest when you go to sleep. Yeah? So that will help you feel happier and smile as you go to sleep. Bye.